Y'all better can cook. Think if they have to hear people look say, oh, the restaurant I come down, man, can cook. Recipe book, word. Am I the only person that hates to do laundry? Jesus. I have a laundry here that needs to be folded. So tonight, after I'm done and all settled, I will just go ahead and sort that out. I just got home from the grocery and I didn't remember to take out the chicken, and the chicken is so hard. So I got me some orange, red banana, and some thyme. I got me some, what's this, lettuce. Guys, we live right roadside. Sweet pepper and some snacks for Robin, yogurt and juice. So I got some of that. So I started the video yesterday. I was totally out of it, so I just ended, I didn't finish. So I am in the mood to cook. I feel like I'm going to cook some curry chicken. Am I the only person that does not like to cook dumpling only? Like if I'm cooking dumpling and I don't have banana, I'm not cooking it because I love me some green boiled banana. If I have to overthink vlogging, I'm just not gonna vlog at all. So don't watch how me look. We have to add some cornmeal. I'm checking for weevil. So I'm just going to knead the dumpling first and put it down. And then I season up the meat. The meat is already in. I just take out the meat, you know. My boyfriend made beetroot juice for me because I have low blood count and it's beating me real bad, and I don't think that's something that I want to go to the hospital with right now, based on the fact that I'm going to be doing C-section, because low blood count already and losing blood on top of that, I don't think that's good. So trying to work on it. So I'm not going to throw away this bottle, I'm going to wash it out again. Maybe I remove the cup. I just remove this because this just make it look wrong. This is it, alright? Yes, man. So I'm just going to rinse it. I have more beetroot. Depending on how I feel right now, I may make some more. Robin, come and lock the door because I know you're out there having the mosquitoes, them eating you. So if I never call you inside, you will get up and you know the mosquito them out there eat you, you're just in the phone. You can't tell me if you scratch your foot now.
Every time when I go to school, you never bring no water.
Every time, Robin? Don't I always give you water? Only sometimes I don't remember. Or if we don't have any drinking water, why are you going to do me that? So I'm going to wash this. I don't have any vinegar, but I have lime juice. I'm going to give this to the dog and I'll be right back. So I just threw away some eggshells outside, but it just come to my mind that I remember like growing up, I would see people, like much older people, put eggshells in the garden where they have flowers, or what's that? What does the eggshell bring when you throw the eggshell in your garden? The hole is small and it's not a lot coming out, so don't think I'm salting the meat. Yee. I normally I'm trying to get this garlic powder. I got this black pepper from overseas, and there was a garlic powder that I got with it. Oh my god. It reminded me of when I was growing up. My stepmother would always use garlic powder in everything that she's cooking. and when I got it and was using it, it's the best flavor it gives my food. So maybe I can find it in Progressive, those type of supermarket. I'm going to check. This is what we have, so I normally just do and say, all right, this is mine, this is his, this is Robin. To see if it can share. It I go share because we are going to add seasoning and we are going to add with Irish and carrots, so it's a good stretch. Not like I never had more, but them 3 chicken legs they can do for one next day. Alright, so flour down chicken. So I have my 4 fingers of, this is a plantain, it's also ripe. I love ripe plantain, you see, like, do you love ripe plantain? I love ripe plantain. The best breakfast for me is ripe plantain, eggs, sausage. Like if I don't have plantain, don't give me eggs and don't give me egg and bread. Egg, bread, sausage like frankfurter. Yeah, I love my plantains in it. So that's soon ripe. So I have my 4-finger banana and my piece of yam. I'm gonna go with my dumpling. So we got this from our baby registry. This is a bottle warmer.
That's not about to warm.
I know I'm not gonna be the one that use this most of all because me, I'm gonna just throw this in a, put water in the pot on the stove and just put the bottle down in there. Or I normally have a thermos that I have with hot water, and that's what I did with Robin. I know the ratio of how much hot water I need versus how much cold water to make the tea. It's gonna take too long for this to warm. My boyfriend now, he's so stressed out and worried about when the baby starts crying at night because I told him that the night is his. I'm like, I went to 9 months, plus you work during the daytime. I'm gonna be here with the baby during the daytime. Who do you think is going to be up at nights? Not me. So this was on the registry and he asked one of his friends to get it for him. So the friend actually didn't buy it from the registry. They went on the registry to see what the type was and went into Walmart and got it along with the pacifier clip. So for those who want to get something for the baby registry, I will link it in the description. And please get something for mommy too. Like nobody now bring nothing for me. Like nobody now bring nothing to me now. Like now if you want to go sweet, you want to go ensure something. Just stay away. But I appreciate it though, guys. Thank you. Joke me a minute, man. I don't know me that trouble, you know. So what we did, the baby registry, we created it and put it to a friend's address in Florida to ship everything, because you know the courier services out here, they're expensive bad. So to ship everything through, and I will also do that unboxing video of my baby registry items, so you guys will see that when I get it. The items are not gonna come before I have baby though, because they're not shipped yet. I don't know. When you leave a man in charge of something, because I knew the time when I was gonna have baby based on everything. So I told him, let the lady have the item shipped off from the 17th or the week of the 17th of May. But now in June, I'm gonna have to go buy a bottle, and then they don't sell quality bottles here in Jamaica. So I'm gonna have to try to source one. You know, some bottles that help to contribute to the colic, right? Because colic is a serious thing, you know. That was what sent me into postpartum depression with Robin. I never knew it was that serious. So I kind of strap up myself. You understand me? You want pine, Robin? Robin? Watch out, she not ear because she having the ear something. Robin, you want pine?
Definitely yes.
Definitely yes.
You're going to feed me and doing something. How much my phone?
Tell us when she in her phone, she don't know. So yeah, as I was saying about the courier service, so I saw the official, I was watching one of her vlogs where she was unboxing some items that she got from her baby registry. And I think it was about 4 to 5 things. And she said the total came to $36,000. $36,000. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. So I'm gonna burn my curry. And I saw that maybe like this week, but as a girl we do shipping, because when I was selling my bags and stuff, I would order online and I would always use that courier company. So I definitely knew that it would be expensive to ship all the items via courier service. There was someone on TikTok that recommended that I set it up. I appreciate it so much. So what I've done now, I've changed. I needed to put some garlic in this. I've changed the address, so that the items are no longer shipping to her because they are preparing for shipment. So anything that is purchased now from the registry is going to come directly to my courier company. But that's okay because everything else is pretty much lightweight, you know? And I don't put expensive things on it. Everything is like, it's less than $50. Because you're not getting nobody no money to put on. Yeah, not getting no money to put on. So I don't know why me feel like you to spend more than $50 for me. Are you agree with me? See something with little ear. Wagwan. I saw something with a little hair. It's nice when you finish cook your food and then the food is presented in front of you and there is some chicken feathers. They smell good already, you know. Don't come from a pot. I don't have a proper pot set. So this is my nice little pot where I like to do my little quick cook down in. Yeah. Me call my dumpling, I know. I don't know, it look like when I need the flour, I count the dumpling. See, 2 dumplings for me, 2 for Robin, and 3 for the mister. That's it. Jesus. My boyfriend, he loves white yam, but I love yellow yam. Y'all better can cook. Think they happy here people look say, oh, the restaurant I come down, man, cook, eat, recipe book, word. That the man them like, you know, the man them want you as a woman to can cook. And if you ever tell them what you want from them, you know, they your ears say, you're this and you're that. Make a woman ever say, no want a man will have money. Your ear says a gold digger. But once they meet a woman, the woman must be able to wash, cook and clean and also work. And they're gonna be like, yes, something the woman to do. But then when you're asked, and you said that you want a man that can also do these things and provide. Let me say an idiot, you take man for. What's wrong with these men? Oh my God. Man must be able to do things and help themselves. I don't want a lazy man or a nasty man. Man must can help themselves. Crazy. Alright, so we're dropping in these now. Food soon finish now. The scent from garlic and scallion and thyme. Oh gosh. I like to buy my scallion when it's green. Like when it's green, like, you know. And then the thyme. I don't like buy the in the middle week thyme. I want it fresh. So like when I'm cooking my rice and peas, I want fresh scallion and thyme in my Sunday rice and peas. Like, not to say that all the time I use it and I'm just telling you what I like. And sometimes I have to just use a dry up one because girl don't have it. But me just tell you say what I like. If I could have it my way all the time. but we just like when we buy it and it's fresh. See? With them something I know when put wash here. No firmness. Wingy like him chop. So there you have it. I'm gonna add a little bit of water and then just let it simmer down, and you will see when I'm finished. I need to buy a Lysol, but sometimes after I season the meat and even after I wash the plate, I kind of still smelling a raw scent, and then I'm so prone to scent. Like I pick up any scent easily. Before pregnancy and now triple. So everything looks like it cook. I'm wondering if I should shower first before I eat, or eat then shower. I'm so hot when Robin is hungry. Oh, I need some pepper in the curry. I need to put some pepper. So I'm done. I wipe the kitchen. I don't have any dirty plate in the sink. So it's basically just what we eat is gonna be there. I'm gonna want like a piece of pineapple. So this is Robin's dinner, and I'm giving her some true juice. Robin! Robin! No, she can't do it. She can't do it without watching something on the phone or
on the TV.
Or without the fan.
TV.
So this is mine. I have some lettuce. There's mommy, and then this is a guava, but I want it to be a little bit sour, so I'm adding some orange juice. I love true juice, orange juice. So that's me, guys.